Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to create personal avatars with AI Portrait Studio in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first we need to go to Gallery and select the best portrait photo of us. For example, this one. Tap this edit icon and tap this AI icon now. Here, go straight to the Portrait Studio, and as for the photo, it has to be a clear portrait photo, front-facing shot of a person, of you for example, or a pet. For best results is a well-lit photo with the subject's face visible, and of course it has to be a portrait photo. Here, as you can see, we do have the comic, 3D cartoon, watercolor, sketch. And to generate, we have to just tap generate. Apart from that, we have to choose a portrait style to apply, and here we do have our face in this square. Tap generate, and wait a moment. Here, as you can see, we have our thing, original, or generated original, generated original. And apart from that, we can generate one more in the same style or go to the next style. As you can see, I don't know which is better for you, but that's how it works. To download, tap this download icon, and apart from that, we can go and generate different ones of these things. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.